In this video, I'll show you how to reset your Epson ET-2850. So if you want to start fresh, let me show you how to do it. First of all, press the home button over here so we start at the same page. Then press the right side arrow 2 times until you see settings. Press OK. Press the right side arrow again until you see Restore Default Settings. It's page 8 out of 9. Press OK. And now we have a few different ways to reset this printer. The first way is simply a network reset, which means that if you're having issues with your Wi-Fi, it's not connecting to the Wi-Fi or it's disconnecting often, you can simply reset this part of the printer and the rest will stay. So if you want to do a network reset, simply press OK. If you want to do a full reset, so everything get wiped out, the printer will be like brand new, you need to select Clear All Data and Settings. It's 4 out of 4. Press OK once you're here. And to confirm, you will have to press the OK button once again. It will take around, I would say, 40 seconds max. The printer will turn off and will power on again by itself, and when it's powered on, it will be resetted and you'll have the setup screen appearing on the display. Overall, this is it. I hope this fixed your issue. Please write a comment down below what was your problem and if the reset actually fixed it. I'm really curious and maybe I can make a future video about that. Leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.